Oh, where are you from?
Oh, Chicago.
Oh, Chicago. Oh, I love it there. There's so much going on, you know, with the restaurants and the museums and the theaters. Huh? What?
I'm sorry, I sneezed. I'm allergic to dust.
I just dusted. It's the only thing that makes me sneeze. You call that a sneeze?
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I got a little bit of the jitters from that. Bless you. And again.
Oh, sorry.
Somebody on the internet is like, yeah,
You know,
that's my thing.
I've heard that like actually is a thing. Like there are whole subreddits that are like actually devoted to sneeze kink.
So weird.
I mean, honestly, crazy. It's wild to think how many things are secret kinks for people.
I got a real problem with the term shaming.
Sure.
Because some things should be shamed.
Some things, I agree.
Sneeze kink? That shouldn't be shamed.
Yeah, I mean, it's not hurting
If
anyone.
that's your thing, there you go. There was your fan service, you called it?
You're welcome, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I have ramen for dinner, and I don't care what I'm eating. This Tony Shasha rice is going on everything. This is like a black people household essential. So let me just, that's it right there. That is it right there. Yes. Oh, I don't think I put enough. Yeah. Then you gotta get the extra off the top. That's strong. You need this in your house. Excuse me. Bless you. Thank you. That's how you know it's gonna slap. Okay, how does sneeze 3 times? That hurt. But this been good. If you don't sneeze, it ain't.
When you sneeze in an Albanian household, when you sneeze in an Albanian household, this is what they say to you. Bitch! Thank you.
I brought my little stand thing out here because I don't feel like holding my food. That's how lazy I'm getting. Anyways, so that accidental jump into the fetish territory was a little weird. But if that's what they want, if they want the sneezes, I will post all the sneezes. I got a fuck ton of them. God knows it. Literally 7 days. I have to take this septum ring out and put in a different one. I don't like that it keeps so. I imported. Yep, there it is. Ugh. Ugh. Not so much sneezing happening, but I can feel right up in here. Congestion building. I gotta sneeze. Ooh. Oh, fuck. Shit. Whew. Sorry. Other founding members of the company. They do that service aspect of it, but you know, he's climbing up, kind of how it always is, though. It's frustrating. We've had this discussion many times. It's not like he's unaware. You know, I'm very vocal when I don't like something. I don't like it when the scales are tipped more in one's favor than the others. I feel like everything should definitely be balanced. You know? I don't like it when... It's weird because they, like, literally...
Here I am. I'm outside. I'm at my mom and dad's house with my baby. No sneezing. No. It will hurt. Ow! Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. Oh no, Mama. Oh fudge. I survived the sneeze. Oh my goodness, it was so painful. But then I went to my happy place. Look at my happy place right here. It's making sure I'm okay. My happy place. My Louie bear. Thank you, Louie. I love you. It's that time of year. Anyone else? Woo! Anyone else?
Oh, bless me.
Just put on mascara. Trying to suck in my sneeze. Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support this.
They're not wet anymore.
Thank you.